Hey, hello everyone. So today the video is about analyzing the Grow's mutual fund data and what what in which company they are investing and what are their average contribution. So it's just a normal video, and I won't be going in each line of code to explain you what I'm doing. I'll be explaining just a few blocks of code, and will try to show what I'm trying to do here. So it's a pretty simple video. Uh, like, I don't need to explain more, because when you go through the video, you will automatically understand that what I'm trying to do here. So yeah, so let's start this video. First, we just import the Python request and pandas module. Then in this section of code, what we are trying to do, we are trying to fetch the URL of each mutual fund, and we are adding them in a list. And here you can see I'm just only showing the first 20 URLs. So as you can see, there are only 20 URLs. But if you see what's the length of mutual funds URL, you will see there are 1170 mutual funds out there, and we'll be passing their information uh, in our variables. So next, if you see the next piece of code, you will see that we are importing beautiful soap, then regular expression module re, and then the sorry, the module JSON. Yes, and after that, you know, we are just trying to fetch these each URL, and then we are just fetching the information present on those mutual fund page. So I won't run this code because it will take at least 2 minutes, depending on your network speed. But on my network speed, it will take at least 2 minutes to parse the data. So what I did in this code is just add every data, every company data, and their contribution in a single list. So this is just a print, but the main data is here, mutual fund data. This is a dictionary. The dictionary has a key value, which is the company name, and then we have a list of mutual fund where that company is mentioned, and what's the average, what's the percentage of the contribution in that mutual fund. So again, we go and we import as statistics Python module, and then we do just a simple operation of average on the data, and then after that, we just just sort out the data according to their ascending order. So this is the data. It's just recent data. Before making this video, I fetched this data from the Groww website, so it's a fairly a new one. So you see here that GOI, which is a gas and oil organization, it is mentioned in 422 mutual funds, and the average contribution comes around is 2.10. Then we see that ICCI Bank Limited in is mentioned in 335 mutual funds. So I'm not saying that you should go and invest in these companies, believing this data is the right way to approach your investing. But I'm just curious that where those mutual funds are putting their money. So it just give you a rough picture of the market, nothing else. And I'll be sharing this Jupyter Notebook link, GitHub link below this video. So if you want to experiment or change anything, feel free to do. So I, as in the starting of the video, I said that It's not a serious analysis of the market or anything. Just a fun video. So treat it as like a fun video. And if you want to experiment, then feel free to do. Okay, so I'll be signing off for today and hope you like the video. Thank you.